Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI, and this is my dog who I love very, very much. And I am really happy to finally get one of these dog water bottles. I had seen these everywhere and I thought they were kind of gimmicky, but I finally got one, and you guys, they are fantastic. They are way more convenient than the collapsible bowls, and let me tell you why. This stores the water back in. I got this one from MalsiPree, and it is very well made. It's sturdy, it has a beautiful baby pink color, and it's very easy to use and clean, and that makes it very convenient. And don't worry, it does have a lock, so you don't have to worry about this spilling on you when you're out and about. You do have to push the button for the water to come out. And the best part is if your dog doesn't finish the water, you can just push it and let the water go back into the bottle. This saves you a lot of water. You have to pack less. And at 12 ounces, it's really easy to carry around. And the wristband makes it really convenient. It fits perfectly into the snack carrier from this brand as well. If you have a dog, just get them one of these water bottles already. I don't know why it took me so long to get mine, but that's just my point of view.